Cash App barcode not showing up. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem. So first of all, let's go ahead and make sure that our application Cash App is updated. To do that, head over to your Play Store from your device. Once you do so, at the search bar, type in Cash App. Now tap onto your app. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. If it's open, then that means your application is already updated. Once done, head over to your settings application. Here tap onto apps option. Once you do so, search for Cash App there. Tap onto Cash App, scroll below onto storage, then clear the cache. Once done, also tap on clear data. Before doing so, be noted if you delete this application's data, it will delete all of your login history and your databases. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on delete. Now come back onto your app info page. Here tap onto force stop, then tap OK. Once you do all that, restart your device, then get logged into your Cash App again, and that way, the Cash App will automatically show the barcode option, and that is how you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.